Hi everybody. We see some people writing with the right hand and some people write with the left hand. And surprisingly, there are few people who can manage with both the hands. They are called ambidextrous. Ambi means two. Dexterity is an ability of writing. Ambidextrous is a person who can write with both the hands easily, who can manage both the hands with ease. If you are right-handed, slowly start using your left hand for clockwise and anti-clockwise movements. Take a water bottle, open its lid. Your mind will understand the clockwise anti-clockwise movements. If you are right-handed, open your water bottle's lid with the left hand. If you are left-handed, open your water bottle's lid with the right hand. Close it, open it, close it, open it. Take a lock and key, open, close, open, close. Right hand, left hand. Right-handers will do with the left hand, left-handers will practice with the right hand. Then gradually go with the letters. Don't go with the letters. Then gradually let's start the strokes, vertical line, horizontal line, slashes, backslash, a circle from left side, a circle from right side. And then you can move on to the letters, words, sentences. Approximately around 21 days, if you can practice continuously, you will be able to master ambidextrity. If you can write with both the hands, a beautiful coordination will happen between left and right brain. Because when you're writing with the right hand, your left brain is stimulated. When you're writing with the left hand, right brain's neurons are getting stimulated. So when you're managing with both the hands, the coordination between left and right brain will enhance so that you will become a superpower irrespective of the field you are in. Let's become an ambidextrous.